Jollyverse Kids, where learning is fun.
One, two, three. Can you count to 10 with me? Mia and Whisker are so excited to teach you today. Numbers are everywhere. On your clock, on your shoes, even on your fingers. You will learn to say every number, count that many things, and write each number yourself. Let's start with number 1. Watch closely. Here it comes. Number 1 is just one straight line, top to bottom. Can you draw it in the air? Go ahead. One apple. Say it with me. 1. Great job. Whisker, did you just eat our counting apple? Oh, Whisker, that was for counting. Now number 2. 2 has a curve at the top and a flat line at the bottom. To write 2, curve right at the top, slant down, then slide right along the bottom. Try it in the air. 2 looks just like a swan swimming. See the curve at the top? Just like this. 1 star, 2 stars. Number 3. 3 has 2 bumps on the right side. Bump, bump. To write 3, curve right at the top, then curve right again at the bottom. 2 bumps facing right. Try it in the air. 3 looks just like a little caterpillar. See the 2 bumps? Bump, bump. 1 butterfly, 2 butterflies, 3 butterflies. 1, 2, 3. Number 4. 4 has 2 lines going down and 1 line going across. To write 4, line down on the left, line across the middle, then a long line straight down on the right. Try it in the air. 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, 4. Can you count that? Number 5. Hold up your hand. You have 5 fingers. To write 5, line down, curve out to the right into a half circle, then a flat line across the top. Try it in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Can you count then? Woohoo! We learned 5 whole numbers. Give yourself a big clap. 6 looks just like a candy cane closing into a circle. See the curve? To write 6, curve down from the top all the way around and close into a full circle at the bottom. Try it in the air. Number 6. 6 is like a candy cane that closes into a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frogs. Number 7. 7 looks just like a little slide. Whee! To write 7, line across the top, then slant diagonally down to the left. Try it in the air. 7 looks just like a slide. 1 line across the top and 1 line going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. Number 8. 8 looks just like a snowman. 2 circles stacked on top. To write 8, make an S shape from the top, then close it into 2 circles. Try it in the air. 8 looks just like a snowman. 2 circles stacked on top, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buttons. Number 9. 9 is like a 6 flipped upside down. To write 9, make a full circle at the top, then pull straight down. Try it in the air. Watch this. Take a 6 and flip it upside down. and it becomes a 9! Magic! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9! Can you count them? Number 10. 10 is special. It has a 1 and a 0 together. To write 10, straight line down for 1, then a circle for 0. Together, they make 10. Try it in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you count them? Quiz time! How many lollipops are on the desk? Count them carefully. Ready? Go! 9! The answer is 9! Were you right? Amazing job! Wow! Look at everything you learned today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! You are a total superstar! You learned all the numbers today, 1 through 10! Amazing! Give yourself a big clap. You did it! Well done! See you next time on Jollyverse Kids. Keep counting everything you see. Bye-bye. Whisker is trying to count his own stripes. How many do you think he has? Bye-bye, everyone.